Hello and welcome back to day 2. I'm so excited to talk today about our module 4, which is supply chain management. This is where your creative ideas become real products without blowing up your crash runway. By the end, you will know the exact path from sketch to tech packs to samples to final products and the door delivery of your inventory. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you have a notepad and some pen to take notes because you are going to learn the concepts of entire supply chain and the product in such a way that it's not going to help you not just today but for many years to come. So make sure that you pause, take notes, reflect, and if required, again go through the same video and grasp the concepts that I teach you in this module. And last but not least, stay hydrated. Okay, so keep a bottle, drink water, stay hydrated. Without wasting much time, I just want to give you a quick overview of what we have to cover today in this module. So in this module, first we are going to learn how private label supply chain works. We get into the details of understanding the private label supply chain, and some of those concepts I'm sure you will find helpful even when you are using ODM, which is like similar to buying wholesale or any other business model. Next, we will have vendor sourcing filter criteria. This is the first line of action you need to take to filter out vendors as a first cut. When I say first cut, it means, let's say the vendor list is 100 or 200 or 300 suppliers who could potentially work with you. Using these criteria, you can narrow down that list to probably 5 or 10 or 7, the best one. Now, once you have narrowed down this criteria, we will also understand and learn what are the different factors affecting each price component. Now, when I say price, it's not just price, it's payment terms, MOQs, and a bunch of other factors. So it is just not price, but all the factors that govern the relationship between you and your suppliers. Next, we will learn about different manufacturing pricing models, whether it's FOB, whether it's DDP. There are tons and tons of models. We will take the best practices of manufacturing business models that are there, and we will help you learn which one is best for your brand. We also will go through factory vetting checklist. So this is the checklist you will be doing after you have narrowed down to the best 3 or best 5 suppliers. Now you want to make sure that these best of best 3 or 5 or whatever handful of suppliers are, they meet the basic sanity check. And this checklist, we will go through every point in this checklist. Then we will understand the sampling process. So in sampling process, from proto sample to size sets to TOP, what each of these samples are, what these terms are, why they are important, and when they are important. We will learn all those concepts understanding the sampling process in this module. Last but not least, we are going to learn about different quality parameters. You cannot say, and please do not say, I want the best quality. There is no such thing as best quality. We will empower you to have a conversation on quality control parameters. I will make sure that by the end of this module, you are educated enough to have a full-fledged conversation with your suppliers in a very technical manner, and they will respect you. Whether you end up working with those suppliers or not, that's an entirely different subject. But I will ensure that you understand and the knowledge you have is an equivalent. So you will talk to a supplier as an equal. So without wasting any time, let's dive in.